galaxy mirror and a Cupholder swings. Okay, so right now we're gonna be opening the galaxy mirror. Okay. So let's see this. Okay, this is the galaxy mirror, and while I press this button, flops. Now it looks like you're in the galaxy. Next, we're going to be opening the Cupholder swings. I got my light for a second. So this is your Cupholder swing. You put your foam in it, and you can put your cup in it. Okay. So now we're gonna do the Cupholder swings. So now let's do it. So we're gonna take these things off. So I take it off now. Now we're going to put it in here. Like that. And then, now you did it. Now you have your Cupholder swing. And you can just pull it up and then just fold it. So now we're going to be doing the other side. So we're going to just push this button. And then, now we're going to get this. And then, now we're going to just put it like this. Now we need to do the splice it out. The splice out now we're gonna store the galaxy mirrors. So now look now. Now you're in the galaxy. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you later in the next video. Peace!